Hello everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to find and view memories on Facebook. So first thing, open the Facebook application, then get logged in into the account. So once you are logged in into the account, you tap on the three horizontal lines on the top right, the menu icon, tap that. And there you need to go to the option Memories. You will see the box of option available, and from there you need to choose Memories. Now here you will be able to find all the memories of your Facebook. Memories is a place where you can look back and share your memories on Facebook from most recent to very long time ago. My memories section is empty. That's cause I don't use this Facebook much and I haven't shared any photos or videos on here. That's why I do not have any memories. If you are a frequent user on Facebook, you will have all those in here. So this is a way how you can find and view memories on Facebook. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the very end.